In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your profile on Shopee and perform some essential updates to your account. So let's dive right in and make sure you've got all the tools you need to manage your account smoothly and efficiently. First things first, let's head over to the Shopee website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in Shopee in the search bar or directly enter the URL to bring up their homepage. Once you're there, and assuming you're logged in, you should find yourself staring at a page full of enticing products and offers. It's a bustling digital marketplace after all. The next step is to locate your profile. You'll typically find this near the top of the page, often represented by an icon or your initials. Give that a click, and a small drop-down menu will usually appear, offering a series of options. From these, you'll need to select the one labeled My Account. Doing so will take you into the personal hub of your Shopee profile, where you can manage all kinds of information. Once inside your account settings, you'll see options that allow you to change a variety of personal information. Whether you need to update your username or perhaps tweak your actual name, it's all at your fingertips. Maybe your email address has changed, or you'd like to update the phone number attached to your account. You can do all that right here. It's also the perfect place to review or amend your saved addresses. Have you recently moved house, or perhaps you'd like to add a new delivery location to the list? Making these changes ensures that your order deliveries are as smooth and swift as possible. Not to mention, you can manage your payment methods too. Whether it's adding a new credit card or updating your bank details for Shopee Pay, the options are neatly laid out for your convenience. And that, quite succinctly, wraps up the essential processes of managing your Shopee account. By taking just a few minutes to navigate through these settings, you can keep everything updated and organized. This small effort can make a world of difference in enhancing your online shopping experience. So, by now, you've hopefully completed the updates you needed and feel more confident navigating your profile settings. Having your account information accurate and current is the key to enjoying a hassle-free shopping experience. Plus, it provides you the security of knowing your details are up to date, which is particularly important in our digital age. And there you have it. We're all done. You should now have a more personalized and smoothly functioning Shopee account. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.